back to 20 car. The 2026 GMC Savana 3500 Unofficial Concept emerges like a colossus of the open road, no longer just a van but a redefinition of mobility itself. Its design speaks of brute endurance fused with futuristic elegance. The front grille dominates like a fortress gate, flanked by crystalline LED beams that slice the darkness with surgical brilliance. Smoothened body lines replace the utilitarian box of old, while chrome accents and aerodynamic curves make the Savana appear less like cargo transport and more like a rolling monument of progress. Inside, the transformation is astonishing. The cabin feels like a fusion of executive suite and command bridge. A wide digital dashboard stretches across the front, streaming real-time performance and navigation data, while voice-activated AI learns and adapts to the driver's needs. Premium captain's chairs, modular seating arrangements, and hidden storage compartments make every journey both practical and luxurious. Beneath its steel skin lies a hybrid V8 powertrain, delivering a thunderous 500-plus horsepower yet balanced with efficiency that respects modern demands. It surges forward with unexpected quickness, while adaptive suspension ensures serenity on highways or rugged paths. Acoustic insulation cocoons passengers, turning the cabin into a temple of quiet, interrupted only by the hushed growl of restrained power. Rivals like the Mercedes-Benz Sprinter, Ford Transit, and Ram ProMaster may offer refinement, but none match the raw authority of this reimagined titan. The 2026 GMC Savana 3500 Unofficial Concept is more than transport, it is legacy reborn, a steel guardian built to carry dreams into tomorrow.